That's nice, isn't it? You've been busy, in?
Yeah, very good.
I bet you painted the wheels now silver, isn't it?
Yeah, and all the cab's been polished, all new striping.
You going to keep this then?
Yeah. It was 4x4, isn't it? So.
You know, Wessex up there on then,
No,
up there.
just going to put fire and rescue on there.
Yeah?
It'll go out and hire.
Lovely truck, isn't it? You're not going to put doors on it then?
Pump's all going to be painted, chevron the back up, new blue lights on the back.
What's it, 135?
Yeah. Goes up through the middle, yeah, we've already got one.
That's well smart under, isn't it? Lovely for orange, lovely truck, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it manual or automatic?
It's automatic.
I can help you, Pete, as well.
I've just picked that up, just been serviced.
So where have you been? Where have you been now? Well,
Just to pick that up. Yeah,
obviously, it's quite high up. Obviously,
this has all been
before, yeah.
This has just been done. All that, all inside, it's all been refurbed.
Oh, it's well smart. I like it. I love it.
I'll put the lights on for you.
I had that last week. That bloody cold flu. Oh, broke around the bloody bend I've seen today.
Really cool. Just don't get in the picture.
Oh, that's smart. That's well smart, isn't it?
Yeah. Fog lights will come on as well. Big, isn't it?
It does seem big for a Mercedes, doesn't it?
Huge. 4x4.
It drives, I bet it drives nice, does it?
Real roundabout, the lights on the back.
Also, it just seems different to Simon Brody's one, doesn't it?
You get all the bits from ours.
I've just got blue repeats on the back then.
Yeah, we'll change those when we get all chevrons.
That's a lovely bloody truck, isn't it?